Okay guys, so in this video I will guide you how you can create or edit the posts that you will make in the WordPress, and how you can edit the categories, and how you can make a post SEO friendly. So you can see here to the left side of this bar there is the option for posts. When you click on all the posts, you can see all the posts that comes with the demo data that you have pulled through the when importing the demo data into your WordPress website. So you can do the basic changes according to the design. So here you can see all the posts. You can create a new post by clicking on add new post, or here there are two buttons to create a new post, and there is one more field which is categories. You can create or edit or delete the categories as well. And let's say if you are going to create a post, here you can write title. This is title of post, let's say. And here you can write whatever you wanted to. Let's say if you want to write something in paragraphs, demo data, so we can take demo data from here, and we can create a post. So this way you can create a post, like you can create a paragraph, and if you want to bold specific text, you can just click on bold, or you can do italic as well. You can insert links. It's similar to the Microsoft Word. And if you want to insert picture, you can insert it as well. You can create custom HTML type boxes as well. You can write your HTML, and even you can do them as well by just clicking here. Then we have to just delete it. The pictures, you just need to click here, and you can upload it here from the library. Okay, and let's say you can insert like this. And also there are many more options when you will click on browse all. So these are the things you can do here. And if you have questions related to any these blocks, you can ask me in the comment section, and I can make a separate video on that. But this is a simple way you can do. Let's say you want to make a heading, you can just do the heading stuff, and this way you can create a basic post. And onto the left side, if you see, there is like option for post. This is for specific block, for the selected block, but you have to see, go to the post options to the right side, and there you can see who publish it and everything. And you can do the SEO of this as well. You can select the categories as well, like which specific category you want. You can add new category, just type in the name and just add new, and the new category will be added as well. And moving forward, you can add the tags as well related to your post. And this way you can create a post. You can do select the categories as well. If you want to delete some category, let's go back to the main menu and click on categories. And here you can see this was the category that I have just added by creating the post. And you can edit, you can delete whatever you want to do here, you can do it. And to publish it, you can create in WP Bakery as well, but it depends upon your choice. But this was the basic old way to create the post. And this way you can publish it simply clicking on the publish button. So this is your how your post look like on to the front side. Okay. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section, and I will create a separate video on it, and or I can just reply to you if it's so much easy. Thank you for watching my video.